kitty cat so sweet, with tiny little furry feet. I tried my best but got a funky shape, with purple horns and a stripy cape. Look at our comedy blobs, hee hee! The bestest friends, just you and me, our comedy blobs! Okay, so I'm the queen, and I'm a fluffy cloud. Right, the royal yacht is here. Whoa, it looks like a bin. Don't be cheeky, let's set sail now. We're going to, France. The waves are getting choppy. Pirates! It's just seagulls, Bingo. Nope, definitely pirates. Heave-ho and pull the ropes. My tail is the anchor. We're the funniest sisters around, making up games all over the town. Playing all day the healer way. Playing all day the healer way. March out, time of our plow. Never snotty crying and the wine don't know. William the Squadron is a martyr so. Giggle, giggle, ha! Okay, bandit, we're the acrobats, and I'm the amazing stretchy cat. Gotta get the balloon almost there. Whoa, hee hee, jumping in the air. This is the bestest game ever. Bestest game ever, for real life. Let's make a cake. Yay! A yummy cake! Mixed a flour in the bowl. Pato's ready for a roll. Oh no, the spatula can fly way up high into the sky. Pato's got a flour shower. Best day ever, what a power. Giggle, wobble, hop and spin.